student. Hope all of you are fine and healthy. Today we are going to start with class 4 science. In class 4 science we are going to start with chapter adaptation in plants. In adaptation in plants, first we will discuss about habitat. What is habitat? Habitat means the living place where all the organisms used to live. Now according to this habitat, what happened? The plants, how they survive in their habitat, in their living place, how they manage themselves in their living place, we are calling it as an adaptation, means how they survive in that place. Now according to this habitat, we can divide this habitat of plants into major two groups, that is your land or terrestrial habitat, or aquatic or water habitat. Now first we will go to land or terrestrial habitat. Now this land and terrestrial, what we call it as terrestrial habitat, this is many areas are there. Now under this many areas, today we are going to discuss about mountain, that is plants which grow in mountain areas and the plants which grow in marshy areas. First we will come to your mountain areas, means plants which are growing in the mountain areas. Now all of you know that plants which are growing in mountain areas, they face heavy snowfall. Now due to this heavy snowfall, what happened, the place is very cold and you're dry also, means climate is very cold and dry, and due to that what happened, these plants, they adapt themselves to grow in, means they have got some adaptive features, they grow some adaptive features in them so that they can adapt themselves in their surrounding. Now what are these adaptive features, what they have to survive in that conditions? Now first adaptive features for these plants are that they are very tall and straight, and due to this what happened, when snow fall on them, and also they have got cone shape, these trees have got cone shape, and due to that what happened, when the snow fall on them, they slide off easily without damaging the trees. Then they have got needle like leaves, and on this needle like leaves they have got waxy coating. Why this waxy coating or this needle like shape is there of the leaves? Because due to less water loss, means they should survive due to, in this cold and dry areas, to survive themselves they have to minimize the water loss. So due to that only they have got needle shaped leaves. Then many trees, their branches are drooping downwards towards the ground. This is also reason is there. The reason which is there, that is when snow fall on them, these branches, they does not get damaged by that and they does not break off. So that's why what happened, they remain intact. And the last point is that these trees, they have got cones instead of flower. Inside the cones they have got seeds, and these seeds, why they are inside the cone? So that the seeds can be protected from this dry and cold climate, which with that which they can survive easily. Now the plants which, for example, the plants which we can take that this grow in this place are like your fir is there, cedar is there, pine trees are there, then almonds is there, apple is there. So this type of plants, they almost we can see in this type of places. Now next we will go to marshy areas, plants which grow in marshy areas. All of you know, you have gone to Sundarban, so there you can see the type of soil. They are very clayey soil, sticky soil, and due to that what happened, the trees which are growing there, their roots, when they are submerged in water, that time they didn't get the air to breathe. So what happened, these trees, they adapt themselves in such a way that roots, they are coming out of the soil so that they can breathe properly, they can take the water air properly from that atmosphere, and they can breathe, and due to that what happened, they can survive also. And also these roots help them to take the water and minerals which help them for photosynthesis process. Now here also we can see the examples like your Rhizosphaera is there, Avicennia is there. So this type of trees which growing in this place, we call it as a mangrove trees. And these mangrove trees, they grow in this types of, because their roots are always out of it, out of the soil, and they can breathe easily. So this type of trees we can see here. Now with this we can finish this explanation part of this chapters, and next we are going to discuss about your aquatic plants, which we are going to do it in next class. All of you, please stay healthy and safe in your homes. Thank you.